नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम बीमन गांधी है। मैं सैटरडे क्लब ग्लोबल ट्रस्ट पुणे चैप्टर को रिप्रेजेंट करता हूं। आज मैं आपके साथ लॉकडाउन में क्या सक्सेस स्टोरी हुआ उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहूंगा। लेकिन बिफोर आई जंप इनटू माय सक्सेस स्टोरी, मैं थोड़ा बहुत सैटरडे क्लब के बारे में बोलना चाहूंगा। सैटरडे क्लब ग्लोबल ट्रस्ट हैज बीन रियली ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी। दिस इज माई थर्ड कंजिक्यूटिव ईयर इन दिस क्लब एंड ऑल्सो इन पुणे चैप्टर। काफ़ी लोग सोचते हैं कि सैटरडे क्लब एक इज़ जस्ट अनदर बिजनेस क्लब और ए नेटवर्किंग प्लेटफॉर्म, लेकिन मेरे लिए वो एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली है, एक एक्सटेंडेड परिवार के जैसा है। थैंक्स टू द यूनिक फीचर ऑफ सैटरडे क्लब ग्लोबल ट्रस्ट विच अलाउज यू टू गो टू क्रॉस रीजन एज वेल एज क्रॉस चैप्टर, आई थिंक आई हैव बीन एबल टू रीच आउट टू more than 200 plus business owners in just about 2 years time. जब लॉकडाउन की घोषणा की हमारे प्रधानमंत्री ने, वही टाइम पे मेरे दिमाग में एक विचार आया कि आई शुड राइट वन आर्टिकल फॉर माई फेलो बिजनेस ओनर्स इन सैटरडे क्लब एज वेल एज सम ऑफ द फॉलोअर्स ऑन माई सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म, एंड आई गेव अ टाइटल टू दिस आर्टिकल, नेवर बिफोर नेवर अगेन। वाई नेवर बिफोर इज बिकॉज हमारी पिछली पीढ़ी या फिर हमारे ग्रैंडफादर ने भी ये सिचुएशन पहले नहीं देखी थी, सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नेवर बिफोर। एंड हम ये विश करते हैं कि ये सिचुएशन हमारी ज़िंदगी में वापस कभी भी ना आए, एंड दैट्स वाई नेवर अगेन। Under this never before never again article, I made few 14-15 suggestions, and some of them I implemented in my profession and in my life as well during this lockdown. मैंने क्या क्या किया इस लॉकडाउन में? मैंने इस लॉकडाउन में काफ़ी सारी ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग ली, काफ़ी सारे स्किल्स एरियाज या नॉलेज एरिया मुझे लगता था कि मुझे पर्सनली या फिर प्रोफेशनली हेल्प कर सकता है, वो सब के बारे में मैंने ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज में रजिस्टर किया, वो ट्रेनिंग्स ख़त्म की। One of the most important training that I attended was on ontological leadership training, and as a result of this leadership training, I also ended up creating one leadership project, which was an assignment as part of the training. And now that project is now really taking a great shape. I have established one YouTube channel under the name Business Wise, a wise way to do business, and I am sharing lots of learning resources for business owners, entrepreneurs, and decision makers. Coming to lockdown success story, what is lockdown? Lockdown simply means that you can't go outside and you have to stay inside. जिसका मतलब है कि आपको जबरदस्ती घर में रहना पड़ेगा. But can we really make maximum out of this, staying inside opportunity? हम लोग बिजनेस में नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं? Normally, when we are really active in normal days, in our business days, our days are usually spent on only two counts. One is selling your product and services or whatever business you are into, and then once you are able to successfully sell your products or services, you get busy in delivering these. So normally every day, every week, every month and every year you are busy doing only two things, which is selling and delivering. But do we really take a pause like lockdown, which was a pause, which was a slowdown? When there is a slowdown or a pause, or when you are compelled to stay inside, do you really take these as an opportunity in our business also consciously? So what I did during this lockdown, on the very first day of the lockdown, I designed a guided business review module when I started offering to business owners within Saturday Club. It has a 3-stage business, guided business review that happens. The first stage is a pre-work which goes in the form of a questionnaire, which brings a lot of clarity about your own business. The second stage is a guided business review with me, which is basically a conversation over the online platform, which will usually last for about 90 to 120 minutes. And the third stage is about following up the progress on the actionable item as a result of stage 2. This offer was taken by lots of colleagues in Saturday Club, outside Saturday Club as well. I think dozens of people have taken that. They have benefited out of it. They have brought a lot of clarity. They have realized what needs to be done. We have developed lots of actionable items. We have also together understood whether the efforts being put in the business are taking or leading them in the right direction or not. I have also helped them to understand really the true potential. And also, whenever this lockdown gets over, now I think it is getting over, how to bounce back in the business. So this was one of the greatest success story I can say as a business coach in my last 5 years. Once again, thank you to Saturday Club and its members who have availed this opportunity. Biman Gandhi, Nilman Consultants.